day, as you heard Waziri, this journey started 205. It's a long journey. But we appreciate God for this moment. Thank you.
The launch of this registry today puts Kenya right at the forefront of climate transparency and carbon market integrity. And the registry will help Kenya track and verify emissions reductions, build investor and public confidence in carbon markets, deliver concrete results for local communities on the ground, and unlock high-quality climate finance. And we believe that the RED Plus registry can be the cornerstone for the green finance ecosystem that is being built here in Kenya and can be one of the leaders across the whole of the continent.
The issue of being granular, very specific, and making people understand. Because you agree with me, this area of carbon, as many people have spoken here, they have said earlier, is not understood. It is not understood. We need to create a platform to make people understand how do we connect this carbon with the activities that we are doing. How do we ensure that people really understand?
This registry serves as a foundational element of Kenya's national carbon market infrastructure, functioning as the official national system for recording, tracking, and verifying emission reduction and forest-based carbon credits. Through this initiative, Kenya enhances its capacity to engage in international carbon markets with integrity, transparency, and accountability, thereby fulfilling its obligation under Article 6 of the Paris Agreement.